What is up, guys? We are here with race day for the Traxxas cars. Ow. That we're going to be racing. Hers is down there. So we have a track here, and we're going to be running it. So the track's like, you're going to go down there, you're going to come up this person's driveway, and up the track, up around this area. Then you're going to come back on this sidewalk, down there, and then there's some weaving and bobbing, and then you'll come back out. So, I think everyone's ready to race. I'm going to be the first match is Leah versus Austin, so people line up at the start-finish line. Line up at the start-finish line.
Right here?
No. Start-finish line is from this mailbox.
Okay.
Here, I'll line you up. Let me just line you up.
Wait,
Okay, guys, I will be back once I've lined up the cars. Okay, time for me to say the most famous words in motorsports. Drivers, start your engines. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Here they go. One of them's on the... Austin's flipped. Where's Leah going? She's going the wrong way. She needs to go the other way. Leah, no! Are you stuck? Okay. Okay, guys. Cameraman here. Oh, she's free. She's free. Get up on the track. No! Okay, this is a 3-lap race. Okay. Go, 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 go! Go, go, no! Go, 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 go! Go up! No, Leah, you're going down pit road! Okay, fine, whatever. These guys are noobs. Okay. Let's look all the way down there. Leah making progress. The camera's kind of blurry, come on. There's like, it's kind of raining and stuff, so there is some weather, but that'll make it more fun. There's actually ice right here, so if a car comes here, they will spin out. Okay, Leah's coming down the home stretch to end her first lap. There she goes, into lap 2. Go, Leah. Okay, she turned a bit too early, but she'll be fine. Oh, and here comes Austin. Austin's just spinning. Here comes Leah in her Traxxas car. Go up, go up, go up. No, you need to go up. That's pit road. Let's take a look at what Austin's strategy is. Apparently it's lose control. Leah is still going straight. She's actually walking with... Yeah, fine, whatever. Okay, she's actually walking with her car right now. And, well, Austin's just having fun. Okay, go! Leah, get your car off the track. Go, 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 go! Weave, weave! You gotta go in! Okay, fine. Okay, so here she is, trying to score a win to get her to the championships. She's got to come out onto the real road. Here she comes. Lap 3 has started for her. Here she goes, down into turn 1. Picking up a lot of speed. Oh, she nearly crashed there. She will be back on the track and good, though. She's got to start picking up the pace because Austin, never mind. She could go as slow as she wants. Oh, she just wrecked. That was a big wreck. She's stuck in a bush. She's stuck in a bush. Look at this. There she goes. Austin right there trying to make up ground. He just needs to come back around and he's up right next to her. So she needs to pick up the pace. Let's take a look, though, at how Austin's doing now. Okay, Austin here has seemed to got himself stuck, but as Austin gets desperate, he might. Oh, he's actually gaining, but it doesn't matter. Here she comes down the final stretch. She's coming. He's still, Leah, no. Leah wins round 1. Yeah, it does. Fairly upset. So, yeah, see you guys in a sec with round 2. Okay, guys, we are back with round 2, ladies and gentlemen, for the second race against me. It's me versus Austin.
Right now,
I'm
I'm holding the
feeling kind of
camera.
confident after seeing round 1, but you never know. It could be anyone. The winner of this will go on to the championship against Leah. So, Austin's getting a second chance. I'm not because, well, he lost. So, we're going to start this race in 3, 2, 1. Austin, get in line. Go! I already screwed up. We just make it the 1 lap race.
Can I show the back of you guys?
Yeah, okay. Also, make sure you don't turn around before I'm telling you. Okay, Leah, turn around. Watch my car. Watch my car. My car in the lead now.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes!
Driving in. Leaving back out. Bleeding champion here, guys. Okay.
Let's see if he's coming.
What? You Austin for a bit, Leah. Oh, go. Oh, go. Oh, yeah. Ugh.
Let's see more of Austin. There's Ben's car. He's going.
No. Get loud.
Here comes Ben down to lap 2.
1 lap to go. 1 lap to go.
2 laps to go.
Get my way down, help.
Is something wrong, you guys? Here he comes. Here he. He's just staying there. Let's go see what Austin's up to. Sorry, I'm aiming the camera down at the ground, you guys. This is
Her phone's
because
out of battery. What? Her phone's out of battery. But it doesn't matter. This won't be a photo finish.
you need to go up.
There we go.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Okay, Ben. Ben is the champion. Hope you and everything else you say.
Okay, guys, we are here with the
I
championship
saw that move.
of the RC car race. Yeah, same track. And after this, we might do a flip over championship. Will that still be in the same video, or will that be a completely separate one?
Completely.
Okay, so here we go. On your mark. Wait, no. Hold on. Let me restart that. Racers, start your engines. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Okay.
On your marks. Go. Get set.
What the heck?
There goes Ben failing so miserably.
Says the one who got dead last in each race we did.
Here he comes.
Help me!
Avoiding pit road. Here he goes. Oh, but he crashes into the bush. Oh, but here comes Leah. Up the straightaway here. Oh, but there he goes. There goes his car. It goes off the track. It goes off the track. Ben, I didn't not go down pit road once.
Here we go.
There's poor old Leah.
This will start lap 2.
There goes Ben. There's a bit of drifting there. Leah, what are you doing?
Oh no, where's my car? Oh, it's in the grass. No!
There goes Leah, failing epically. There's Ben and Leah, both failing. Oh, Leah's back on the straightaway, but she gets off. Here comes Ben. Oh, he's gonna go around pit road. There he comes. Here he comes up to the straightaway. Oh, he's gonna go. Oh, he tries to wreck into me, but here he goes. Up the straightaway he goes. I am sprinting right now, guys. All right, he had a quick pit stop. Gonna go around that. Gonna go back in on the curve. All right, we're gonna have to push his car back on. Is this the final straightaway right here? There he goes on the final straightaway. This is gonna be a photo finish. Not really, but here he goes.
Wait, no. This is the final lap.
And here we go on the final lap.
Leah, please don't quit. You intersected at me. Better than Austin could ever have hoped for.
Yeah. But you know, I tried my best. As long as you have fun, you're always a winner. That is literally, I think, the dumbest saying ever. But here comes Ben. Here comes Ben at the straightaway.
I'm just gonna walk it home. No reason to go fast.
Okay, here she goes. Wait, Ben's like, what am I doing? There he goes.
I did that without looking.
Oh my gosh, here he goes. At the final straightaway. This is gonna be a final finish, guys. Here we go. And he crosses victory lane.
Look at that. Okay.
That's
guys,
the
wait,
race.
Just wait. Stop the video there now.
And that is the end to another glorious race. Here at Victory Lane, we have Benjamin Pasquarello in first place and Leah Pasquarello in second place. And they're going in. And here comes Leah Pasquarello. Can't even get the can open. What? She's just hitting her like so much.